Hello, I'm Mitali Singh and I'm currently working as a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and today in this video I will be discussing the topic kidnapping under Indian Penal Code. So I have divided the topic kidnapping into few parts, and first we will be discussing what is the basic meaning of kidnapping. Secondly, we will be discussing the exact definition of the kidnapping under section 360 of the IPC. Then we will be discussing kidnapping from lawful guardian, then kidnapping from India, and then lastly, what is the punishment for kidnapping. So firstly, we will start with the basic introduction of kidnapping. So what does kidnapping mean in simple language? So we can say that the word kidnapping has been derived from the two words, that is kid and plus napping. So kid in simple language, it means that child, and napping means to steal. So the literal meaning of kidnapping is stealing a child. Section 359(1) of IPC divides kidnapping into two parts. First, kidnapping from India, and second, kidnapping from lawful guardian. So firstly, we will be discussing the first topic, which is kidnapping from India. Kidnapping from India has been defined under section 360 of Indian Penal Code, and kidnapping from lawful guardian is defined under section 361 of Indian Penal Code. So we will start with the kidnapping from India. Section 360 of IPC 1 provides the meaning of kidnapping from India, and section 363 of Indian Penal Code lays down the punishment for the offence. So the essentials which is necessary to make a crime of kidnapping are defined under section 360, and those essentials are: first, a person must be taken away to a place which is beyond the limits of India. तो अगर आपको किडनैपिंग कमिट करना है या अगर आपको किसी पर्सन को किडनैपिंग के लिए सू करना है, सो फर्स्ट एसेंशियल जो होना चाहिए वो ये होना चाहिए कि वो जो पर्सन है उसने दूसरे पर्सन को कैरी अवे करा है बियॉन्ड द लिमिट्स ऑफ इंडिया. तो अब हम मानेंगे कि वो किडनैपिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया होगा. And second essential is such taking away of a person must be without his or her consent. The literal meaning of a word beyond the limits of India means taking away a person outside the geographic territory of India without the consent of that person. Then it will amount to kidnapping, and when the two essentials which is mentioned under section 360 of the Indian Penal Code is fulfilled, then the person will be held liable for the offence of kidnapping. For example, A kidnaps B and tries to escape from the country, but on his way, before reaching the other country, police caught him. Here, the offence of kidnapping, though not complete, amounts to the offence of attempt to kidnap from India. Simple language में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि the person that in the A will not be held liable for the offence of kidnapping, but he may be held liable for the offence of attempt to kidnap a person from India. Now moving forward to the second topic, which is kidnapping from lawful guardian. So the kidnapping from lawful guardian is defined, or we can say that is given under section 361 of Indian Penal Code, and section 361 of IPC makes kidnapping from the lawful guardian an offence. It states that a minor person below the age of 16 in case of male and below the age of 18 in case of a female cannot be taken away without the consent of his or her parents or any lawful guardian who is to give consent on his or her behalf. This section also extends its protection to the people of unsound mind also. Essential elements which are required or which are necessary to make an act a crime under section 361 of IPC are: first, a person must take or entice another person. Second, the person who is taken must be minor, as I told you before. Third, in case of male, the person must be below the age of 16 years, and in case of female, a person must be below the age of 18. Fourth, the taking of a person must take place out of the lawful guardian who has the authority over that person. Fifth, there must not be any consent of the lawful guardian in the process of taking away that person, or we can say that taking away a minor person. One of the important landmark judgment under kidnapping from lawful guardian is Thakori Lal D. Vadgama versus the state of Gujarat, In this case, the accused was charged with the offense of taking a minor girl who was below the age of 15 years from the custody of the lawful guardian and without the consent of the guardian. The, but while in the proceedings, the counsel on behalf of the accused contended that the girl came out of the guardian's house as per her own will. तो उसने ये बोला था कि जो काउंसिल था ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द अक्यूज्ड कंटेंडेड दैट द accused did not take away the girl forcefully, or we can say that without her consent. He contended that the girl came out of her own will, but the honorable court rejected the plea and convicted the accused, stating that the word entice, which is mentioned under section 361 of Indian Penal Code, is associated with an inducement or allurement by which one person gives hope of raises of desires of another. Honorable Court further added that if one person induces, promises, or raises the desire of another minor by fancy words to leave her parents' house, then such person will also be held guilty for the offence of kidnapping from the lawful guardian under section 361 of the Indian Penal Code, and it would be prima facie difficult for him to plead innocence on the ground that the minor had come to him voluntarily. Now I will be discussing the last topic of this video, which is the punishment for the offence of kidnapping. So the punishment for the offence of kidnapping is specified under section 363 of Indian Penal Code, and section 363 of Indian Penal Code provides the punishment for kidnapping from India or from the lawful guardianship with imprisonment up to 7 years and fine. So if a person is held guilty for the offence of kidnapping, then he will be sent for the imprisonment of 7 years, and also he will be charged with fine also. Okay, so that's it for this video, and this brings us to the end of this video, and I hope I was able to convey everything about the offence of kidnapping, which is specified under section 360 and 361 of Indian Penal Code. So thank you, and I will see you in my next video.